Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Somervell County in north-central Texas, southwestern Johnson County in north-central Texas, north-central Bosque County in central Texas, northwestern Hill County in central Texas, southeastern Hood County in north-central Texas, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:51 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Pecan Plantation, or 8 miles southeast of Granbury, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 65 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Pecan Plantation around 6:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Cleburne State Park of 7:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Cleburne around 7:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Lake at Cleburne around 7:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Eulogy, Rio Vista, Copperell, Brazos Point, San Fred, Mambrino, Acton, Rainbow, Retreat, and Nemo. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay from windows.